hoping that my background, because I am an Indigenous person, I'm a Franco-Ontarian, I grew up in a very small rural community. I'm hoping that all that life experience will bring me a unique perspective that hopefully is going to be beneficial to the Supreme Court of Canada. I also think that my professional experience in mental health law and my extensive research that I performed for my PhD with regard to the use of GLADU principles and if it's possible to apply them in the forensic mental health setting. So what I would say is I would hope that this experience, both background personal and also my professional experience in mental health, Indigenous issues, and also the perspective of the labor and employment that has that human value to it, is something that's unique to me and would be beneficial to myself on the court and hopefully to the court as a whole. I come from a very small rural area where I was told, "Oh, Michelle, you're not going to be, you're likely not going to be a lawyer because you come from this small town in Northern Ontario." But at the end of the day, if you work hard and your heart's in it, you could go and do what you want. And I'm hoping that young people, female, Indigenous women also, will see that anything is possible if you set your mind to it and you surround yourself with great people, because I've stood on, as I said, the shoulders of giants throughout my life. They've helped propel me up, and I think that's really made a difference. So I'm hoping some will feel inspired. I live my traditions. I bring these traditions and my heritage to the table. I'm a voice of, hopefully, a voice of 9, whereas we make our decisions based on the file that's in front of us and the facts and the law that's as it's presented. But I can tell you that I do bring my voice as an Indigenous person, and that's what I have to offer, in addition to my own experiences and also as my work experience. And I think especially in my research into GLADU principles and how they apply to sentencing, and I hope that experience is going to be helpful to the court. And also on the mental health aspect, because as we know, our communities were deeply affected by residential schools and related issues, and there's intergenerational trauma that has affected the mental illness of our brothers and sisters. So I think it's to be mindful of that and to bring that experience to the court.